Hi guys, welcome to another episode of DSLR training. Today we're going to be talking about quick ways of zooming into pictures so you can see your images close up. So if I take a picture, it's a random picture, so if I sort of take a picture of, there we go, so I've taken this picture, let me just put it into manual mode. There we go, I've taken a picture, okay, maybe that one there. So I've taken a picture. Nothing special. If I click on that, I can view the picture. So if I want to zoom into that picture, you've got a couple of options. With this button here allows you to zoom into an image. So if I click on that, you can see how I can zoom into this image. And then I can use this dial here to hover around so I can see the image like so. Now this is really useful. And this button here allows you to go back to total viewpoint. This is very useful because of the fact that when you're on location, you might be taking hundreds and hundreds of pictures and you really want to see the pictures a bit close up. The reason why I say that, because some of them might be pixelated, so it's better to sort of kind of like go through, decipher through them whilst you're on location and get rid of the ones you don't really want. What I tend to do is I take a picture and then I click on this button here, like I said to you, and I just zoom into images like this, and this allows me to see the image, and then I can sort of hover through it like this and be able to sort of see whether it's pixelated or whether it's any good or whether there's a bit of motion blur. And if I don't want any motion blur and I don't like the image, all I need to do is just click on the delete button and just delete it whilst I'm on location. Okay, what this does, it saves you a little bit of time. Basically, you do not want to be spending hours and hours at home or in your studio going through pictures, deleting them. This allows you just to delete them while you're on location quickly and efficiently. You can also sort of zoom out and zoom in. So these two buttons allow you to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so if you zoom out, what happens when you zoom out, it allows you to see multiple pictures. So these two buttons allow you to zoom in and out. So if I do that, I can see multiple pictures, and again, I can hover through them like this. And if I don't like one, like for example this one, I can just delete it. And again, it's a quick way of viewing my images on screen. It's very quick, it's very efficient, and it will save you loads of time at home going through post-production, deleting pictures that you don't necessarily want to keep. Just do it while you're on location. So if you're a sports photographer, you're a wedding photographer, or you are doing, you're doing some concert photography, or you're doing some charity photography, or sports photography, or animal photography, and you're outdoors mainly taking pictures, loads of pictures, and you don't want to sort of go, and you've got a couple of some crappy ones, and you want to delete them. This is a quick way of doing it. So don't spend hours and hours at home. Do it this way, and it'll be quicker for your post-production time editing. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please post, and I will be happy to respond to any questions that you may have. Thanks guys, bye.